here is a little experiment for you. I have over here a power supply, and that's going negative through here through an ammeter. I'm measuring the current. Then it goes to this incandescent bulb, and then it goes through this LED bulb and then back. And since they're in series, the current through here and the current through there have to be the same. So they have the same current. Now, I can adjust the voltage on the power supply until the voltage across the incandescent bulb and the voltage across the LED are about the same. It's finicky, right? It's finicky a little bit. But they're close, 3.16, 3.17, and almost 200 milliamps. So we can calculate the power that this uses. It's just the current times the voltage. Voltage, current. The power for the LED. Voltage, current. They have the same current. They have the same voltage. So these two have the same power output. But you'll notice that the LED right here is much, 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 much brighter than the incandescent. Let me actually turn down the brightness on the camera, and you can really see the difference. Look at that. Look at that. See? Nothing? Big difference. Big difference. So this is why we use the incandescent. We don't use the incandescent. This is why we use the LED. For the same amount of power, we get much, much, much more light. And that's what we want. We want the light. The incandescent right here basically works by getting a filament super hot. But then you get things hot too. And we don't want the thermal energy coming off of this. We only want the light. So this one doesn't get nearly as hot. That's why it's so much better. Incandescents aren't nearly as good. And there's your demo. Thanks to my friends online for showing me that. Physics friends.